So we have a limiting reactant problem here where we start with a certain number of moles for each of the reactants, but we want to know how much of the excess reactant is left over. First thing we do, find the limiting reactant. That's going to really determine how much of that excess reactant that we use. So here's how we do it. 2.2 over 1, 3.6 over 3. This is less, so this is the limiting reactant. So for now, let's forget about these numbers. And what we're going to do is we're going to say if we have this many moles of the limiting reactant, how much of the one that's in excess here, the N2, are we going to use? So x is to 1 is 3.6 is to 3. You can cross multiply. And that's 1.2 moles of N2. So this is how much N2 we use up if we use all of the limiting reactant. This is how much we started with. So we take what we start with, subtract what we used, and that tells us that we have 1.0 moles of N2. This is left over. And that's how you figure out how much excess of a reactant is left over in one of these limiting reactant problems. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.